everybody, welcome back to Design Channel. Okay, today in this video tutorial, I will teach you how to make running text in PowerPoint. Okay, this one so easy. Okay, now I will show you the example what is running text like this. Okay, I will show you, and then we will make like this. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, this is we call it running text. Okay, this is the first tag, and this one the second text, because we use two text this one. Okay, now how do we to make it? Let's start. Okay, first we have to make new slide. Okay, we need this one we have to have. Okay, because we don't use it. Okay, the first I need to type same like the example. Okay, how to make running text. Okay, like this. So maybe I need to change the size first. Okay, maybe 40. Okay, this one enough. Okay, just here. Okay, next step that we have to do is we will do the animations. Okay, just go to this one, animation. Okay, and then click this arrow. Okay, click more, this one, and then choose motion text. This one is line. Just click. Okay, you can see this one animation, but the animation is this one going down. You will change directions to the left side. Okay, you change the left side like the example. So how do we? Just click this one, effect options. Just click and then choose left. Okay, just click this one so we can see. Okay, now if we done, so let's put this text outside of this slide. Okay, so we need to put here. Okay, so we need to make it like this. Okay, so later if you want make this one become small, the slide, you can use this one. Okay, you can make it big, make it small, just press this one. Okay, just scroll this one. Okay, I need to, okay, maybe as this. Okay, next step that we have to do is we have to click this one, the line animation. Just click, make it become like this. Now there are two dots, the green one and the red one. Okay, so we need to make the line a little bit long. Okay, so like this, we need to pull here. Okay, maybe enough, so become like this. So next step we have to do is we need to go to the text animation, this one. Just click. Okay, so after that we will choose timing. Okay, and then for the start we will choose with previous like this. And for this one, we need to choose extremely because we need the slow one so we can read text. Okay, so we choose the slow one. Then click. And for the repeat this one, we have to choose until end of slide. You may choose this one. Okay, just click. Okay, so now we can see. Let's try first. Let's try the first text. Okay, our text become like this. Okay. Okay, done. So next step we need to make one more. Okay, for this like this. So we just only copy this text. Okay, how do we? Just click this one. Remember, if you want to copy this text, you have make sure your pointer become plus like this. Just click and then press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Become like this. Okay. So now we will change the topic for the second text, this one. Okay, don't forget click this one also and choose timing. For the second text we only change this one. We need maybe 6.5 seconds. Okay, just click this one. The same this one extremely. Just click OK also. Okay, so now let's see our running text. Start from the first. Okay, here we are, our running text. Where's the second text? Okay, this one we can see the second text also. So that is how way to make running text. Okay, this is so easy. So you can make it